The solar system no longer revolves around the 8 main planets. Instead of Pluto, a new planet has emerged, heading straight for Earth. Initially appearing small, it soon reveals itself as a massive gas giant, larger than Earth, similar to Jupiter. Hello, and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. As this mysterious planet gets closer, it will interact with Earth's magnetosphere, causing thunderstorms and stunning auroras. However, this beauty will be short-lived. Soon, the planet's gravitational force will cause massive waves and earthquakes, making it difficult to breathe as our atmosphere is pulled away. This gravitational force will eventually tear Earth apart. All life on our planet will be enveloped in cold and darkness, ending life as we know it. But how did we reach this point? Could a new planet form in our solar system? Or could one wander in and affect Earth's orbit? Perhaps there's an undiscovered planet already out there. This is What If? And here's what would happen if we discovered a new planet in our solar system. Before answering, let's explore the origins of our current planets. Planets form from the gas and dust surrounding a new star, which spins into a donut-shaped disk. Planets start as tiny grains of dust, which collide and clump together into larger rocks called planetesimals. Given a few billion years, this process formed the planets in our solar system. However, this process is no longer possible because, after about 3 to 10 million years, solar winds from our sun blew away all the gas and dust needed to form new planets. Therefore, if we discovered a new planet, it would already exist out there. We just haven't found it yet. One possibility is Planet 9, which might be orbiting our sun in the outer regions of our solar system. Scientists speculate its existence based on the unusual clustering of orbits in the Kuiper Belt, suggesting a mystery planet's gravitational influence. However, we haven't directly observed Planet 9 yet. This could change with the construction of the powerful Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile. Another possibility is a rogue planet, similar to regular planets but not tied to a star. These planets might get ejected from their solar systems or form alone if a star formation goes wrong. Estimates suggest there could be billions of rogue planets in our Milky Way galaxy, but they're difficult to detect due to their low light emissions. If a rogue planet, especially a gas giant like Jupiter, entered our solar system, it could cause catastrophic effects. Its gravitational force could create massive tidal waves, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, ultimately destroying life on Earth. But what about smaller planets, like an Earth-sized or Pluto-sized planet? If these planets were on a collision course with Earth, the impact would be devastating. If they collided with Mars or Venus instead, Earth could still be affected by debris. However, the odds of a rogue planet hitting Earth are extremely low, less than 1 in 2 trillion within the next 1,000 years. But if a smaller planet like Mercury passed close to Earth, it could alter our tidal forces and cause significant changes. If another Earth-sized planet approached, it could create zero-gravity conditions on Earth's surface, causing everything to float away. Both planets would eventually slow down and collide. A more intriguing possibility is a co-orbiting Earth, where 2 Earth-like planets share the same orbit around the Sun. This scenario could create a beautiful cosmic display, with one Earth always visible in the other's sky. However, maintaining such an orbit would be challenging due to the narrow and unstable nature of the orbits. For now, it seems we'll have to stick with our current planets and avoid discovering one that could cause an apocalypse. But who knows? There could be a new planet waiting to be discovered, either in our solar system or beyond. What if we found a new planet? What if we didn't? Sponsored content, Fishing Clash. Before we dive deeper, let's talk about Fishing Clash, the sponsor of today's episode. I love fishing, but making these videos doesn't leave me much time for it. With Fishing Clash, I can experience fishing right from my phone. You can strategize and use different equipment to catch various fish like marlin, salmon, bass, trout, and more. The game features different locations worldwide, and you can even create your own fishing village. One of my favorite features is Fishing Clash's partnership with Major League Fishing, allowing you to compete in real-life MLF events and win in-game rewards. There are also dual daily competitions and clans. Want to play? Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to download Fishing Clash. Use my code, WHATIF, for a free $20 gift, including special items and fish to get you started. Follow the steps on the screen to redeem your in-game rewards. Conclusion. So, let's say we discover a new planet inside our solar system, and fortunately, it's not heading for a collision with any of our planets. Are we safe? If it were heading for a direct collision with the Sun, there are 3 possibilities depending on the crash site and the momentum with which it happens. A collision in the outermost layer of the Sun by a planet the size of Jupiter would release an incredible amount of kinetic energy, making the Sun brighter for tens of thousands of years. If the crash occurred right in the center of the Sun, there would be less energy in the outer layer, leading to smaller effects on the Sun's brightness. However, if a rogue Jupiter slowed down as it approached the Sun, it would get shredded, forming a disk around the Sun, potentially blocking sunlight and reducing the amount of sunlight reaching Earth by up to 20%. This would also alter the Sun's radiation hitting Earth, affecting life as we know it. Another frightening scenario is if a rogue planet in our solar system pushed Earth out of its orbit. This could result in drastic seasonal changes, possibly triggering an ice age or extreme heat. If Earth were ejected from the solar system, we would lose our Sun and freeze. If pushed closer to the Sun, we would fry. After considering all these possibilities, it's a relief that we haven't discovered new planets wandering in our solar system. Planet 9 remains a mysterious possibility, but we should hope any new planets stay away. Collisions, near misses, and changes in our orbit could all be catastrophic. But imagine if we found a new planet, not crashing into us, and we ventured out to find new worlds ourselves. There could be planets better suited for life than Earth, waiting to be discovered. This idea might be a story for another. What if? The discovery of a new planet in our solar system would be a groundbreaking event in astronomy and planetary science. This hypothetical scenario would have profound implications across various domains, including science, technology, international cooperation, and even public perception. Here's an exploration of what might happen if we discovered a new planet in our solar system. Scientific impact. Revision of current models. The discovery would prompt a major revision of existing models of our solar system. It would challenge our understanding of planetary formation and the dynamics of celestial bodies. Scientists would need to reevaluate theories about the distribution of mass in the solar system and the gravitational influences that shape planetary orbits. New research opportunities. A new planet would offer a unique laboratory for studying planetary geology, atmospheres, and potential biosignatures. Missions could be planned to study the planet's composition, climate, and potential for hosting life. Advancements in technology. Discovering and studying a new planet would necessitate advancements in telescope technology, spacecraft design, and propulsion systems. The challenges of reaching and exploring a distant planet could drive innovation in space travel and remote sensing technologies. Technological and engineering challenges. Space missions. Planning and executing missions to the new planet would require international collaboration and significant investment. Engineers would need to design spacecraft capable of long-duration travel, potentially lasting decades, depending on the planet's distance from Earth. Communication. Establishing reliable communication with spacecraft over vast distances would be a key challenge. Advances in deep space communication technologies would be crucial. International cooperation. Global effort. The discovery would likely lead to a global effort involving space agencies, scientific institutions, and private enterprises. International cooperation would be essential for sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise. Policy and regulation. The governance of space exploration and potential resource utilization on the new planet would require international agreements and regulations. Policies would need to address the ethical and environmental implications of exploring and possibly exploiting a new planetary body. Cultural and philosophical implications. Public fascination. The discovery of a new planet would capture the public's imagination, potentially inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. It would likely lead to increased interest and investment in space science and education. Philosophical questions. The discovery could prompt philosophical questions about our place in the universe and the uniqueness of Earth. If the new planet shows signs of habitability or life, it would have profound implications for our understanding of life in the universe. Potential for life. Search for life. One of the most exciting aspects of discovering a new planet would be the possibility of finding life. Scientists would be eager to study the planet's environment for signs of microbial life or more complex organisms. The search for biosignatures would involve detailed analysis of the planet's atmosphere, surface, and subsurface. Implications for astrobiology. Finding life on another planet would revolutionize the field of astrobiology and our understanding of life's potential to exist in diverse environments. It would raise questions about the origins of life and the possibility of panspermia, the hypothesis that life can be transferred between planets. The discovery of a new planet in our solar system would be a monumental event with far-reaching implications. It would challenge our scientific paradigms, drive technological innovation, foster international cooperation, and captivate the public imagination. Whether it is a cold, distant ice giant or a rocky, habitable world, such a discovery would mark a new chapter in humanity's exploration of the cosmos and our quest to understand our place in the universe.